we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader. I have just finished John's Big Money Trend EA. This one was built, they're all built for me, don't get me wrong. I wanted a swing trading robot. I wanted something that didn't take a lot of trades but took only the right trades that I was looking for, but to be traded manually. And I wasn't so much wanting it to trade for me, but for it to close my trades. See, what happens is we have these, let me turn this off right there, is if you look back in here, we had this nice up move, and we thought it was going up. We were looking for this to go up, and it went down. The idea is the sooner you know that it's going down, which is the red bar right in here, you can exit, forget about your buys, and take on the sells. And that's the idea. Otherwise, you end up losing money because you end up coming down so far that you finally realize you give up trying to hold the buy and it's time to sell, and you've already missed half the trade. And that's not how I want to trade. I want to be able to nail every single trade. So like right in here, we had the bar, arrow, everything was perfect at this point. We moved up to the 50. Now, either we're going to break the 50 or we're going to go back down. That we don't know. But that is for the chart to tell us. If this thing starts to come down, we'll get a red bar and it will automatically close my trade. How is my trade? I'm up $182. Very good. So, but it's kick and butt. That's the idea. I'm looking for something not to trade for me. This is for me to trade manually, but to help me get out quickly and to stay only on the right direction so that we're making money. So that's the idea. Let me zoom out real quick. Bring this back, and you can see now why it's so important. So run this forward. So we had this nice move down. If you were on this nice strong up move and you didn't get out soon enough and turn around, you missed half the move before you decided to get in. And that's not how we want to play. We want to get all the move. And then right in here, so we got a bar, we got all three green here now. You can buy at this point, and yes, you got a little bit of money, but right here, it closed all your trades. So then you wait. You got a red arrow, everything went red, we're only selling again. That's the idea. Now, the get rich and everything works good too, but those are to trade for you. This one is for you to trade manually. And then if you're not trading manually and you got the other ones going, turn it off. So if I have the swing trade going, which I do, and it's trading for me, I can let this run and then turn off my manual trading if I'm not trading. If I'm trading, I can turn it on. And then the get rich I got over here, it's running too, so they can all run for me. This one hasn't even taken a buy yet because it needs all four green because it's trading for me when I'm not here. It did have a nice sell the other day, which was great. Got me out way down here, made a killing, but we're still not set up for the buy yet, so it hasn't taken a buy. But meanwhile, I am killing it going up because I've already gotten in. I had one down here earlier. I got out when it turned red. Just in case, I bailed out and went ahead and got in again on this trade here that I called out. And now we're going to run this up as far as it goes. Now the worst thing happens is we don't cross the 50. We go back down to a double bottom. And then we'll regroup and do it again. And that's how trading is. But the idea is I got something here to tell me that, okay, I got a red bar right here to close all buy trades at that time. Also, the X will close them and the arrow will close them. We've got three different things. But I can't take the sell to right this point. Yes, I got to give up that little bit to follow my rules. The idea is I don't mind losing if I followed my rules. I hate losing when I disobey my rules and I lose for no reason because the market was just going down. And for some reason in my head, we thought we were buying. So this thing is designed to keep us from doing that. It's to keep us on the right side of the trade. I can only trade when all three are red and we have the bar. RSI is red. Look how easy it is to follow this down. Even though you got a pullback, nothing in here was feared. Even though you got a pullback right here, a strong pullback, everything would have exited at this time because it's the opposite arrow. So it would have closed all your trades on you for you automatically. And then you'd have to say, okay, what's going on? See, I can't buy because it's not all three green, so there's no buy trade. Well, we got our arrow, red. You get a little short drop at the end of the day. You could have nailed that. And now we're turning around for the weekend. This was actually in Tokyo coming down. So we got, usually what happens is it gives a move down and a move back up. So we're looking for that same move back up, which we're going to get. And then I'm looking for it to do the same thing here. Same move down, same move back up. So not just here, I'm looking for the whole thing up. So that's what we're looking for. So this way you understand why we have John's Big Money Trend. This is a manual. Anybody who's bought these swing trades is getting this one. It's getting sent out today. We have a couple people who bought and they already got it. So we already got the buttons on the other ones too, which works out really good. Here's the swing with the buttons. We just got that done, so that'll be going out. So they are out. So we're going to be raising the price for this. This will be probably the last day for the swing to be at the price it is. It's going to have to go up because I need to pay for the buttons. And I got to pay for the buttons for the other one too. And I'm looking to come out with one more EA to go along with this. So we'll see. But I'm real excited. I love making things to help me make money. And if they help me, usually they will help you. So that's the whole idea. And if you like something, get it. If not, I understand. Swing trading is not for everybody, and manual trading is not for everybody. So maybe these weren't what you're looking for. But for me, this is what I was looking for. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Let's make money in the markets. If you have any questions, need any help, I'm always here. Look me up. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you.